It's just a brake job. How hard could it really be? Well, that sort of thinking can get you into a lot of trouble with today's modern vehicles. And I've had a great example of two of the best-selling vehicles that if you don't look at the service information or know what you're doing, you can get yourself into a lot of trouble. The vehicle I'm talking about is the Ford F-150 and also the Ford Explorer. 2020 and up, well, they decided to combine three components into one. They took the brake booster, the brake master cylinder, and also the ABS unit and combined it into one called the EBB, electronic brake booster. With this, it actually complicates the brake job. If you do not follow the steps to deactivate the unit on certain brake jobs, you're going to get yourself into a lot of trouble and potentially injure yourself. So with these vehicles, make sure that you're looking at the service information. You're performing any deactivations, which may also include the electronic parking brake or EPB, to make sure that these are deactivated. If you don't, well, it may take extra amounts of time, you may damage certain parts, and you can get yourself into a lot of trouble with the customer and also the vehicle. Keep this in mind. The Explorer and F-150, they're also police vehicles, so there are a ton of them on the road. But this also applies to other late model vehicles that you're checking the service information before you service the brakes, especially if you have to replace a caliper. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.